We're looking at 4.3. Determine the equation of the common tangent. We're finding the equation of df here in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So we just have to find the gradient. We can even use E and D to find our gradient. So m dE is equal to change in y over change in x. So it's going to be 2 minus negative 2 over 6 minus 4. Then what do you get? 4 over 2. 4 over 2 is equal to 2. So it means the gradient is 2. You can even use D and F. You can even use E and F. These are collinear points. Okay, so you can find the gradients using any of them. Right. And then now we have the gradient. Therefore, y is equal to m is 2 and then x plus c. And then we can use any of the points, isn't it? We can use even this point D. Where there's y, we put negative 2. Then where there's x, we put 4. Okay. We can even use point E. We can even use point F. And then plus c. And then this is negative 2 is equal to 8 plus c. Subtract 8 from both sides of the equation. Negative 10 is equal to c. So the equation of df is y is equal to 2x minus 10. Right? You can use this equation. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Right? So using point D there, we can say y minus negative 2, and then it's equal to m is 2, and then x minus 4. Right? And then this is y plus 2 is equal to 2x minus 8 after distributing 2 there. Then subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. Y is equal to 2x minus 10. Okay, you can use that.